fine and country Leamington Spa. Today we are in Radford Semele, 2 miles from Leamington Spa, tucked away down a sweeping driveway, stood in 9 acres of mature tree-lined grounds, offering both privacy and spectacular Warwickshire countryside views. Leasowe House and Leasowe Cottage offers 5,600 square foot of multi-family living, offering 8 bedrooms, 5 reception rooms, 5 bathrooms, 2 breakfast kitchen rooms, a snooker room and an outdoor swimming pool on a curved patio terrace overlooking glorious uninterrupted views. There is a further 3,500 square foot of additional loft, garages, barn and stable block that could be developed, or there is also potential to renovate and create one exceptionally large exclusive family home. So come with me, let's take a look inside. You've joined me at the end of this tour on this curved patio terrace with outdoor pool and amazing views. Thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like any more information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.